welcome back to my channel, Lovely Riz. Today's video is going to be tips and tricks for small YouTubers, so let's get straight into it. And this is my twin. Say, let's get started.
No.
I'd say tip number one. Will you be quiet, please? Be quiet! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! Stop it! What are you doing? I don't know, just look. Hi. I'm outside now, but my first tip for everyone would be to be yourself and don't try to be anybody else, because if you try to be someone else and you're being someone else on your channel, then you're basically just growing a fake channel. My next tip for everyone would to make sure your channel banner, your profile, and all your thumbnails just match, have a color scheme. Just make sure everything's aesthetically pleasing and it all works together. The next tip is editing. Make sure your editing is good. Usually people click out of videos when the clips are too long and they're unedited. But if you're mobile, I definitely recommend using VLLO or VLLO. There are so many tutorials on how to use it on YouTube. Just type in how to use VLLO. Just make sure to be yourself and no one else. Make sure everything in your channel just matches, and make sure your content is entertaining and well edited. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. See you guys in the next video. Bye!